Hi guys, so today we're gonna see how to make Chapaguri, which has become very popular after the movie Parasite has become a big hit. If you guys enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends so that everyone can have a taste of Chapaguri. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so first we're gonna go to a store called CU to buy the ramen. In Korea, you're gonna see a lot of these stores and you can buy lots of snacks here, so when you're hungry, you can just visit these stores. Chapaguri is a mixture of 짜파게티 and 너구리. As for the cost of these two products, 너구리 costs 900 won and 짜파게티 costs 950 won, so this is a very cheap and delicious snack to eat. Okay, so the first step is to prepare 1.5 cup of water and pour it into a pot. Okay, so now we're gonna turn on the stove and place the pot over it. Then we're opening the 너구리 bag and we'll search for the seaweed piece. The seaweed makes the watery part of Chapaguri much more delicious. Then after that, we're gonna put in the flakes inside of the pot. And if you guys don't like seaweed, I highly recommend that you do not put this in. Also, you should be aware to not put the soup yet. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the 짜파게티. And we're gonna put in the flakes of the 짜파게티 inside. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out the big piece of seaweed, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't like the texture of it, but if you guys want to keep it inside, that's fine. Once the water starts to really boil, you're gonna have to put in the noodles. So first, we're gonna put in the 짜파게티 noodles inside of the boiling water. Then we're gonna put in the 너구리 noodles. Then just start stirring up the noodles and make sure that they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Also, after you stir for about 1 minute, leave it alone for about 5 minutes. Okay, so finally we're at the final stage of making Chapaguri. And so now we're gonna put in the soup. First, we're gonna put in the 짜파게티 soup and we're gonna pour all of it into the pot. And now we're gonna put in the olive oil that was included in the 짜파게티 bag. Now we're gonna put in the 너구리 sauce. But we're only gonna put in about a half of the 너구리 sauce, and this is because we want the 짜파게티 sauce to taste more stronger than the 너구리 sauce. Now you have to stir the sauces along with the noodles. And make sure you stir them fast because otherwise the noodles are gonna stick to the bottom of the pot. Once all of your noodles turn brown, you're done with your Chapaguri. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends so that everyone can have a serving of Chapaguri. Enjoy your meal!